Horn? Oh, alright. Guess not. It's a shame, he had a good horn. It's a shame, he had no problem using it over there. He was blowing it. Done this, I'm gonna go all the way over there where the Delair Bridge ends and go to the Amtrak railroad, because I saw like this yellow construction Amtrak train parked there. Just gonna see if I can get a video of it. I've been parked there for days to see if it's still there. It's like a nice cheese yellow, kind of like a school bus yellow, like that color right there. Like this specific bus right here, kind of like that yellow almost. It has like a white roof too. Heard New Jersey Transit has a new heritage again. Conrail heritage. The best thing about New Jersey's heritage units, they always specialize the horn most of the time. I think it's a Conrail. So there's officially another Conrail heritage. Might have a DPU too, because there's only 2 locomotives leading. I will have to pause it if I want to go over there and catch that Amtrak construction train. We'll have to cut the video and pause it. I can't show you the whole train. Just have to pause it until there's like a DPU or a special car, or I don't know, just the end of the train. I know you guys don't like that, but I gotta do that. Sacrifice some room for more videos. Alright, let's pause it right there. There's the dorks that like to graffiti all the cars. Like, come on. Why? Looks like it's just going to end off with nothing. No DPU, disappointingly. A weird looking coil car. A lot of people think that these are tank cars, but no, they're coil cars. And they ask, how do you get the coil out of there? You just lift the thing up, it's like a lid. Lift it up and unload it. That's all you gotta do. It's a hard job, but it takes like 2 steps for these cars. The only coil car I find weird is this one right here. How do they do it with this one? And there's the end. I think he's gonna stop. The Fred light might be on because of the rain. Even though I really don't want to end it off with a Fred, I want to end it with a DPU, Norfolk Southern. Where's your DPU's been? And he put his Fred on. I don't want a Fred, I want a DPU. Alright, let's see if that Amtrak train's still there.